Hi everyone, welcome back on Mullover. Today, in what is gonna be a really short video, I guess, we're gonna check it out all my investments portfolio, my full spreadsheet, and we're gonna see how much I have in it, like how it goes all the 2023 year, and how I want to start the 2024. What's my strategy, where I allocate my money, how much, and why. So if you're interested in the video, like please click like and subscribe if you like this kind of video, and stay tuned for more. So to don't lose any other time, let's get into it. So here we have, you should see the my spreadsheet. As we saw in the last video, is organized like this. We will see like the stocks here, the ETFs, all the fees and taxes, crypto, taxes, crypto, and all the liquidity in green. So, by the way, if you're interested in this kind of spreadsheet, that you're interested in have the spreadsheet, I can give it to you. Just leave me a comment, and you know, I will try to contact you to send you the spreadsheet itself, um, with all the formattation and all the very format that he has. So basically, how it works, all the formats are like specifically like it works that above a certain amount it become green automatically or red. This it will straight away indicate me like and show to me if I'm in profit or not in determinate investments. So let's get started with December. So at the end of December, so in this period, we're gonna I had like 23.664 euro invested in total, which by this year the 10% like above about like 2.376 is invested in stocks. I mean, it will be allocated in stocks. I think I exceed this ideal percentage actually. But let's go through each of my stocks. So I got a Disney, which goes a little bit down, but pretty much the same in November and way better than October. We can see Malibu Boats, we get like 240, and we're working 193 in November. Then PayPal, always like always in loss on PayPal, but better than October and November. Alibaba always lost, but I put like leverage basically on these stocks that I think um, is really undervalued right now. But actually, it doesn't really make sense. Like to me, it's not really important the single stocks because those are kind of random. I kind of random stocks. Like I don't know why I buy it. It's just you know I am willing to risk this amount of money that in the long run will have like zero impact on my future net worth. But like I'm trying to get the simply a lottery ticket or something that will explode, you know. So I expected those to get like 90% of them goes to zero in the next 10 years, and maybe one will get like will get a 10x. So that's why I'm investing like this. Just the company that I usually like or that I in my humble opinion are undervalued. So yeah, we see here Malibu, PayPal, Alibaba, Amazon, BAC, Bank of America, which I bought it in the during the crisis. like 129, and now it goes up to 147. Nothing special. Then JAD again, always in loss, but is really ridiculous the price right now, in my opinion, in China. So let's keep going with this kind of bet. Then let's see the core of my portfolio, which are the ETFs. Here we have potentially allocated like 19k. I had allocated like roughly right now 7. So is I'm waiting to enter lump sum. Once the price is gonna go a little bit down. Right now we are almost at the all-time high. So at the moment, I have in all country world ETF, which is the best I think available in Europe. I allocate like 5,172 euro is my biggest position on the market right now. I had an Asia ETF, an old one that I don't want to sell because like it's really similar what I have now. So to me, like it's fine. I just leave it there. And the main Asia ETF, which is the EIMI, which is like 1,500 bucks. Then I have also the Europe here, but as I said, everything is skyrocketing right now, so I'm not buying right now. Then let's move it really quickly. We have a crypto, which is supposed to be allocated like 2.3 thousand euro, and here we have way past this. I have a roughly like 3.5, I think, but it's okay. I'm a bit overexposed, but I start not accumulating, but like I bought certain like crypto where I got the opportunity. The crypto that I own is like Cosmos, Algorand, Chainlink, and Polygon right now. Why? I don't know why. Same lottery ticket as stocks basically. Why not? I'm young. If I lose the money, like it's gonna be okay. But potentially like next bull run, I think that will get like they will I hopefully like I hope we'll get like a boost on my portfolio, but let's see. uh, this, by the way, is not a financial advice, so don't copy my portfolio. Absolutely not. I'm not an expert. I'm just someone that is interested. That is someone that have a passion in the past 2 years, and I study a lot about investment. But I know myself and I know my risk appetite. So it doesn't mean that if I do it, you should do the same. So be careful. This is not a financial advice. Then we have cash. We see here cash in the bank, some stuff that is not relevant to you. So what I want to do today actually was to take a look of all the year. So basically, in December 2022, over here, I started with my back in the days I had. It seems like a life ago, but it was just 12 months ago. I had 3.660k, and my stocks was like 366, and I own just Disney, which I still have this amount. It was 257 euro, and right now it worth it 263. So pretty much like flat during the year. Then in January 2023, I had 5.7 k, 5700, then like 5900 in February, 6900 in March, then 7500 in April, then I have 8500 in May, and then in June we skyrocket with 15.5k, so I get really into the investment, and I really start to get heavy. Let's say, of course, it's a small amount, but for me, I started with 3k, so yeah, it was significant. And 16, then 17, 19, almost 20, then 21k in October, 22 in November, 23.76 in December. So basically, if we see 360, I basically had like 20k and 100 euro more than 12 months ago. That, like, this is what I potentially can invest. Like, it's not all invested as we saw here, but it's what potentially, like, it could be invested. And yeah, the fact that I had like 20k more than 12 months ago is amazing. I hope to have 20k more than today in a year, of course. But this is due to my budgeting system, which is something that I'm talking about in few videos, and every month I touch this topic about budgeting, how I send my money, which template I'm using, and everything. So I will get the link in the description for you down there. Like, just check it out. If you want to see how I budget my money, my paycheck, how I break down my wage, and how I get these results, basically. Yeah, so pretty awesome. Of course, like, also the ETFs, like, was ridiculous at the beginning. I was doing accumulation plan, so you can see 248, 480, 77, 752, 1000, and so on. But at then I was spending way too much in fees, so I decided that I will enter lump sum, and I did it in September, 21st September, and since then I'm out of the market. But it's much better for me because I'm not spending in fees. So crypto pretty much the same. Let's see. I start tracking. Oh yeah, I will start in December as well. With Matic, 100 euro, $50, 62, and then I accumulate until June, when they start to get up. The crypto is start to going up. So I stop, I guess, completely. Yes, I stop. And if you're wondering how I know, is that when they are white and when I have these notes here, it means that I have a new transaction, that I put all the details here. When there is nothing, means that nothing happened, and the price, the change, is due to the market, simply. Yeah, perfect. So we saw that Polygon was worth it 640, and now is like 839 in this month. Yeah, so like a lot is like 200 euro more. Link, Chainlink was like 200, and now it's 575. Atom 280, and now is almost 400, and Algorand 115, and is 188. Also, these outperform is due because of the bubble. Everything is chaotic in the crypto world. Is not an advice. It's just a really volatile and really dangerous kind of investment. I'm just decided to hold it. Whatever can happen. I can tomorrow wake up and have Matic worth $7, and I will say, okay, so let's see if the fundamental change or something happen. If not, I'm gonna buy more. It's just because I'm 24, I'm young, and I wouldn't do it in 20 years from now. But it's just, as I said, a lottery ticket. So and then the liquidity and all the other stuff. This was the overview. I show you all the year 2023, 2024. So basically, this is all the year, and yeah, I'm pretty happy how it goes, like how I grew up, and it's awesome. So I have already a new sheet here for January 2024. I will adjust here the number and all the stuff, and you will have it ready for the next episode. So yeah, I will say that we are actually at the end of the video. I hope this was like to get you have an idea at the end of this video of how I invest and how is my spreadsheet. If you're interested of the spreadsheet or in my previous budgeting template, let me know in a comment down below. And for the rest, what to say? You know, make out. See you in the next time.